agus as an Culturland agus bí Loch Lea, as muid ostu don seolaí leor ar fiche blian de glór na múna. Leor ina bhfuil níos mó na fiche cefní cin, ó banathirí cóglacaithe agus cumrádaithe glór na múna thar blian specialta de athgóil pobl agus athlánaí na Gaeilge. So thank you all for being with us tonight, and the Culturland and Bia Loch Lea for hosting this event, the book launch of 20 years of Glór na Móna, where there's over 20 memories from founders, colleagues and comrades of Glór na Móna, reflecting on 20 special years of community reclamation and Irish language revival. So is me sé imar na conrachtaí, do siúd nach bhfuil aithne go bhorm, which is all do. Agus Mar daine ó chanig me sé tríd an Cumanóga Uachtar Clúnaí Glór na Móna, agus mar gríomhaí sa réimse factus football a bhainúí Glór na Móna thar na blianta, churann sé glendar ar Macrae a bheith anseo chun ceilearí dhéanamh ar fiche blian den agriach specialta seo. My name is Emer Gunrockday, and as a young person who grew up attending Glór na Móna Youth Club from an early age, and as an activist and participant in the range of community campaigns established in Glór na Móna over the years, I'm very proud to be here to celebrate 20 years of this very special organisation. Tonight we'll hear from some of those people who were generous and kind enough to write down words about how they felt about Glór na Móna celebrating the 20 years. The book itself is on sale tonight for £8, and there's also the 20 years tops that Curly Warren, Labour Montgomery is here, and he done them, so thank you Labour. And they're for sale for £30, and all the proceeds will go towards the capital project Cree na Carriga. So before we hear from all the contributors to the book, we're going to start by showing the short film by Bayview Media celebrating 20 years of Glór na Móna. So sure. So just fair play to Maria Gazona and Upper Nagapel or in Fishan Galantishan, Co-Cooktak. So fair play Dave, my chef. So next time was just go Falchik or Revokia Kainchor, agus sin Hoardy or Glór na Móna Fergal McGunrockday. So I'd just like to welcome Fergal up, who is here.
Good morning, Carja. Reduce price, you can go 100 Raja, agus say in Sanishan and sin, but he may Kerwin him couple of punch buglev, Majoration Dowager Kermage and Laura and Charlotte Kayla. There has been a kind from Dinyariana, she can Vershay Bio when we started talking about the event 6 months ago. I thought it was going to be handy enough, and it wasn't one bit fucking handy. And it ended up with subcommittees and subplots. At one point, Emer and Big Kieran banned me from Excel sheets because I was destroying every single Excel sheet and putting it all in a Word document, putting it all in the back of a cigarette skin. No, so I was banned in the meetings, but because of me being banned, it ended up a very successful event. And then Arnoya, there are Harlan and Mac, Stoilum, Gowilla Sugg, Guru 5, Nagogin, and EA, Majula, the portrait gate. But Honey Mitch Free Shem, Kumwai. August and Swing Shuvi on Ganera Major, Eder Actor, August Jakener, Memoir, a screw. So it started off with the 10, and we ended up, somebody says, sure, it's 20 years, we should get 20 people. So we got 23 people in the end. And you'll see that a lot of the book, and it was just amazing. Nura be Majitar and Taylor Kayla be Majigiri, just the blindy different a so in Saloran Taki Chef go PC that o Vuz a bit in Sean about the LAO was a Rinslev. But just describing those early years, and one of the things that we were speaking about in the interview with Martin and Owen was that at that time, 2004, 5, 6, we were involved kind of trying to set up Glór na Mónas across the city, and that's what we were doing. So we were kind of part of that project, and part of other projects. And it was only looking back at it now that the decision was made to kind of to place ourselves somewhere and to say this was the place where we're going to focus all our energy. Or now you Cabby Buzz, Gavin is a hacked. Martin, if we got formed in the Gaeilge, it was the first time there was somebody employed to do that type of work in the area ever, and we were able to build on that. As the lads were saying, Crowher, the two Crowhers were talking about Bernoiga, which came after that. And again, that was kind of like flying by the seat of your pants as well. When you Crowher and when you Oilea, they had Irish that were working in the English youth clubs, get them on board and started the next week. We're really following that now, Ray Johnny. Sometimes they were pearl as well, starting with things when they were half hours and they were ending up somehow coming through and coming out the other end. So I think you'll get all that in the book, and also from other people who've helped you from the outside, like the PC that went so lower to Phil Scraton, to Pisa O'Sheaver Aiken, to Pisa O'Mega Paddy McDonald. They're people internationally who've been involved in the work that we're doing. And I suppose the thing that sticks out, and even fiú gur had the arc or Nishan in sin, agus nuair Lane Shib na Pishi, Sílim and Bonachos at the on agus at the Fagal Freeze is Freeze. It's in Feliciat and Nicolnia. You see this idea of decolonisation in practice. You'll see Owen O'Connell, who's going to be here reading out his piece talking about the political flame in his heart. You'll see Siobhan McCallion talking about health and well-being and our own mental health and how a reading programme helped that. But then getting on to the main point, which is how we're going to build a new Ireland and how Grown and Moon is providing an ashimlar, non-example of what that should be. And one of the things we've been kind of, myself and Owen and Emer were up at the trademark weekend there up in Dusty Begs, meeting with groups from across the world, and one of the things that struck us is that the idea of decolonisation as mediated through the work that we do is one of the most important conversations that we can have and we are going to have in the time ahead. Because Cundin Ruddy Eddie was a Mac Mufui, na in a Amana being his piece of a Wallach T here in Kenya, Gis Kursha, but you know when was Oscar to Galore for an Amana to much Canny, Gis Kursha and Stat, but being a Gary Kershaw, a Wallach, and a Courier and Yimel. There are some cancer, Public there, a Hogal, G. Colinia, and there are cancer process T-Pieration. So to miss it, the moral we're doing it's a trip to Tamafroy, and Kenya G's Kursha Shanna curve front and centre. See them for Sean Tam, because we were speaking about this last week, talking about the idea that the words in fire, Trump's in power, the far right's on the rise, the time to be using liberal language is over. The time to be talking about pluralism and civic pride and all that shit is gone. We need to be talking about what has to happen. And need to be inspiring people with the language of decolonisation and putting the Irish language, we would argue, as the torchbearer for the struggle in the time ahead. Because she didn't go back and shift and go more and more into lower. But while I'm just my way to go, as I hand in you a screeve, because I hand in you a cudgy then, especially Owen here, who's been chasing after logos. There were some of the people who we're still chasing after for the few quid, and we put their logo in the book, and we're sending them photographs today and saying, you owe us 200 quid, there's your logo in the book. Why did I agree to that ages ago? So we're going to go to our who. But a resell it, she didn't go in with a go, blast you eat that guy, because to show on this screen fence a star. Can then the leg actually beyond the Amity word again at the new piece of screw. Or I forgot all the book, it's class, but there's far too many men. And we're going, okay, 100% right. We see them. Go when she is in Kate for you, playing a video game, and I was saying, yeah, when we do the 40th anniversary booklet, I would say the pen of them will have swung. It'll be more women than men written in the booklet. So this will be in chin. Good morning.
So Anish Michael Fatcher with Buzz Cormac Buzz O'Brien. Jimmer Cormac Roll Lornack and Money Glornamona here at Gavi Lissa Keher. Lena Kishin, Bay and Kate if you got Forbaha, Lan Amshaha Fostiha Iganagrat at Gavi Lissa Up, August Gavi Lissa J. Is Kjoltor, Pibra, August DJ Reggae, I can de Komai, a Tagri Rock, Leclamery, Velfirsta. So Cormac played a central role in founding Glornamona back in 2004. On top of that, he was the organisation's first full-time development officer, employed from 2008 to 2010. He is also a well-known musician, paper and reggae DJ who is active with Clemery Felfirsta, so Felcher with us.
I'm much armour my stakely, so by my rubber fear holy and all. We'll show you in Merla Foster.
No, sure, I can do it.
Was there one up for red Friday?
Here, that's right.
This one, all that.
Pushing these far, So, I know you ton Logan Agarha is the shot that we've been hard for the attorney, harder Cudge Ward and stuff like this. Majanik or Shannon Gurley and Cass, like that, and you screw and Senior Shoppings. I heard Shan Roddy Attorney because we should ain't been the we should ain't the of a general stuff. You know, what much like Jarafak Mara, what and Shev Shan Ishogas, Chian through Agriacti, Ugus and Ishogas, German Shade German. Or Hosper Socky, but Cape Marina near Neharn, glór na móna Dermot ar chosbar seapú an Amerbí tá si go fóil bunithe sa phobal, so go mo wéhís leis sé ar fád as a chuinil sin rud a gáil. Well, tá bí bunú glór na móna mar gheallar na réitanis sa phobal dan na gíal. Deascar sé a má hasíireachtaí le heitan de saoil de Gaelscoil na móna ag an am ach ní rabhada gur hiigmuid fáidir go a bhád níos mó forbathe dhí na éitintas den scoil amháin. Hiigmuid fásta na teocailm Hig me, go me leis go. Hig me fásta na teocailm an méid a bhí a bhí le buint amach a dheanú dom hían agus curú cóiste le chéile. Bhí a gine gurú oinan an pobl orbit na a achu gil ar bhela. Debrí muid le coppla blian go díon as go Jonach agus daoine a tuairte go deama go fíal flathúil ar son na cúise. Tá má burtha nach bhfuil má garcar sé, but bhí feidir an sin anú agus seo an céine. So, okay. Daoine bhfuil podig ma cathórún ús Scotland, Danny Barclay, Fergal, McConaughey, Kieran Bralahain agus Kieran McGillivain agus codhúir daoine ón phobal chun Gaeilge ach gur hiig siad an táhat a bhain leihí dóibh féin a god páistí agus an taí go generalta. For much codú fást ón Gael Scotland sa ceanta. Agus tá sin de táhata na daoine sin bhfuil because there's Kevin Lum in the Céad Éireachtaí nuair a bhí an Common Oige in sin Holy Trinity. Bhí daoine ón gan focail Gaeilge ach hiig siad an táhat le Common Oige Gaeilge agus tá tá sé ar dóigh gur lean glór na móna lei sin. Agus rud nach teocailm sa churann sa leabhar sin nuair a bhí muid a céad Bulu, láfa dúrú le codda na Hebrí Oige sa cheantar, tí ma gaine a bhí amón Service Oige, card-carrying member of the DUP. So bin an rud a bhí in ar nédan ag an am, bhí sé omlan in édan, rudder bí a bhain leis na Gael. Agus, well is einta gur heporthú. Agus heporthú gus nuair agad tuair go lorna móna éis, heporthú gus santalsa. Cabbé, lá mar ré. So, daichen sin me gan just a bheith gobar le glór na níl an obair ar a talú, agus déir sé oin an costia ar atal go formúl. For mus bonrat agus tífa stéad a hopla blian, bhí mu an éir de swini ach i dhéanú. When mus fásta coppla dúis o glór na níl, a chodí len íc as a cod na service a bhí a salahar agin. Bhís agin gurúlainn na níl sonta sa cheantar agus rinn muid teide a lurí gur rástal, cé go trí pont náide a hocht fan géad den phobal ar Gael Scoilna a charú na service ar fáil doing. Agus, like, tá muid anna go bhfuil na figurí sin a bhád níos airde in éis, agus, like, an ceol ibre sin, tá sé einta ládrannach, cos cé tú figurí is ahan a chuir le céal, but tá sin de tábhata fásta, cos is iad locht an réaltais a gcónaí, bíonn sin gcónaí a géirí féimiise uatsa, agus sin an féimiise, tan féimiise fod fáráine ar fád, le tás aginne, le búlmid le daine lóin Gaeilge an tám ar fád, agus tás tegan Virginia ar bobbal agus Keiko Brewer as a tashi, but there you go. So he much ar gachal a costia sa cheanta, so doins gur heag daoine gur wanda na deal, agus is Kevin on cod na costi sin, like, frick's sakes, you know. We should melt in a ladder and that's a party up. They're hlúni agus stuff mar sin, cant fan yelagar agus stuff mar sin, agus níru Virginia ach a géirí go bá Gaeilge or service Gaeilge or fáil sa cheantar, but sure, there you go. Tá Johnny gur rástal sib sure, cos waid ar a cruní sin fásta. Ó hen, go ma leis go. So, hermod sin in the Gaeilge a lár an éini, agus a méla phobal. Has a muid rang na Gaeilge, ceáil agus níos muille, cailiacht i Oige. Bhí muid géirí go bheiceú an pobal Keiko Brewer as Malta a bhí is a té saoil na Gaeilge. Has a muid factas Gaelú na sráidéanimnathe agus grothín sa cheantar a crágú dáirse agus a stácracht ar na húdaris áitsile. Bhí fella Gaelic LeBron an a work function, fella na Carriga and a shh, don't let any yoga and sure. Hug seo déistún gríomhaíochta í dhéanamh don na Gael at the rog agus íosta sa cheantar. Has muid cumann óige sa cheantar le chuidú na cumann óige áiteala. An inneoin seachtathas sa Ward Lorlinne bhí bariacht agin, bhí muid rá hamananta agus bhí orthú géalú sa deireadh agus thug siad couple of punt le daoine osú go páirt aimse. Is ainta ggóil daoine fástaí in éis chumann rud éascú go lean aimsethe agus is ainta na síte a churú blianta a hin eáil a brathú. Níor tharlathú sin gon taceart don phobal, daoine a thug a go deama, sír na eisce, seatain le cinntiú go mó serviceún da god páistí agus da bobal. Daoine gon Gaelig ach a rómeán Gaelach acu agus sin an rud fásta tá a gaithminne céim fá go leor muid béirle agus tá chodhór daoine mí sa phobal nach bhfuil facail Gaelig acu ach tá siad cóbéalach in a gríthe. So sin é a chairte, gur míle maith go fás a chorú an acht.
So in éis carmuid fáte raibh Brona Fosco. Chai Brona seo fara mar if gach forbrethe Gaeilge le glór na múna ar a gabhí lis a dóigh agus gabhí lis an ídeag. Debrí siar fiú trefse mar bhainisteoir imachtaí a gultar lá gadam ó féic, sular wag si higar ról ratha mar bhainisteoir eachbhaí déine le conrún na Gaeilge. So Brona spent a long time as the Irish Language Development Officer with Glór na múna from 2012 to 2019. She also worked as an events manager here at Culturland Macadam O'Fake before moving to her current role as human resources manager with Conry na Gaeilge. So fast you're over now.
Agus gar míle maigah as an curry then seo just saw das me and she was sé galanta bhí sé galanta agus bíana go naí mat agus go mat a clistal agus sílam fiú sí second junior when you share neartíine ní darlan gro magic seal go mé mat in saníisian agus just sílam go sin an galanta go mé sé an agus prélar sin go sin mar question to faoi scahan seba nuair a rinneú na hagla sin agus sílam ar nós glór na múna agus an Gaeilge bhil sé cótáhachtach go bhfuil scialta mat Sean Miguel a Calmage and Lena Fossa go siad ag glór na múna agus cófad work action so just sílam a bunig go sé galanta eacail agus é a cliste. So glór na múna agus fihe blian ag fás. Is cinnte gur dorbar agus gur chothaí glór na múna na céadta nó beidir na méite le linn na trefh se fáis seo mé híon san áibh is féidir le marrá. Ach cean bailach a ngeanann tú chuir síos ar chonathair agus pobl có nuagrach Spragil a chur an bun principal an phoblachtaí agus na Gaeilge gatainne chun cinn agus a cuaigtaíonn an coshaintear a chuideann linn an glór a aimsiú agus scileanna fan féin chuidíthe a orbairt. So hasí mé meister híon le glór na múna siar an ailís a dóigh, nuair ceapaí mé mar if a gach forbrethe Gaeilge na céad pás garmil nó big girl job a bhí an agus is cinnte go neart le fóla magam. Bhí muid loníthe mana taigh bar na Carriga, bhí mar farc sigartha ag na lechaga, chumá leis na daoine óga maidínathe, cumasathe a tháinig fríd in chumá nóige. Bhí crí foran began le th lia crathair agus na haon fásaithe an goláanamsethe agus bhí foran oige páirtampsethe an fásta le d'arbhla Diagóg agus foran teagaisc faoi cheannasaíocht mat. Le Sean, Brenda, Martin agus neart minter aonta eile an hána blianta agus fiú ag an am sin bhí pobl an agus bhí muinteras agaí. Ar na daoine óga a freastal ar an chuman óige agus na ceannairí óga a tháinig fríd chláirithe cumasaithe agus ceannaireachta na nibrithe Jonatha faoistear ar lia mar a tháinig an léach páideagaí na gcuaithine tá néis mar cuairdaíthir ar tholas na nóg agus na fóla marí fásta a drasal ar na rangana ar Bonscoil Tredegev, Gaelscoil na múna agus de bhés. Mar maidir agus iad ar fad faoi réit ar léic mat agus an gra a chochaí sé den teangaí in ngach a chaise orthu. Ar éirí leis daoine a spragaí, filiú ar an ollscoil ar diplóm, Cam, agus in Chagas go fiú, ar nós ban le gala Katrina ní Charan a tánéis ag obair, mar winter in arnial in héalaidehis in édi ranganí edges pobl a hasach le Glór na Móna sílam gur léirí Harvey somtas ac sin ar an obair agus in Chanahar a taid Glór na Móna ar géine. So bhí Glór na Móna ag gcónaí saite sa phobal ar sanna phobal ag gcóir leis an phobal agus ba seo an neart an rud a sprádaí bheith páirteach in si an rud a churthaí minteras agus bála spardalta do phobal ar óg agus éasta. Tanar tin cefní cin aonanta agam haon le Glór na Móna ar taris géalteachta agus taris lé leis an rang speisialta. Faoi stír ar geadar a math ag gací páirt na agrahan an chéad lá dearg sa bblion gabaí sa cehardeag na leihananta agus factis eile hanig agus a Jimmy ó hen a leith agus a bheits as ar góir éis scótha. Leihananta Charlie a Bart Noel ag a gurú feltí ar nós eile na carga nó fel géalaigh le brád. Agus ag anfar arns agus na cóiris féama ar ódéis gort agus mar bhí seo sa rón dhéalanid a bhíon ar nóia tá anioníthe in ómóslaigh eile a Jimmy William Lena Sean McGill. Almost céad a léach eile sa phobal a chuirna gibhne dún a dolaigh bhfuilmuid ag seaasú ar bhuilaí fathach. Tá go leor cefní cin aontaón ag casú agus ag cóhabar le daoine sprágala, fad rarthathe, ha jocaí éar fad a lua nó a chur bhretal go fiú. Bhí an teagstú ó bunatí go dtí an ggéalanid ina ardí géar, tháinig fás ar an urin, fás ar a chláir ibre, agus fás ar an phobal a bhí páirteach, gan tracht a dhéanú ar an as, a tháinig ar scóp agus réachtaní na hibre. Agus in éis tan fás sin gan stad gan stéanaí tá fergniamh nua sain tóca ar na bachgain crí na carige, tá solas na nógan salahar oiga nualaach do híní óga le réachtaní sí breise, tan cafe galanta Anaman atá mar hub iontach den pobl, agus sa pobl fós a gré lár, agus daoine óga a chochaí agus a chruachtaí mar an gluain ar ceanraí den taithí atá ag teacht. Má wacín haon ina másc agus éis ar éis le frasar cuman oiga uachtar clúnaí, racha mór taal mar dear an té dear. Cruigní méid obair le Glór na Móna in ngabhí san éideag agus is féidir le marán nar dagna a bhfuil le Hotel California, dúm gur coin tusta sin chéar. Caithíú mé mar géal fasta an, chuirtí méid lú cháirdeas, fad saolan agus fir mé muintre san. Is cintear gur dag má me gobar an Lord fad saolarm, agus sa mé níos sibhre de bhar. Táneart rudí speisialta faoi Glór na Móna ach is sé an alsúnacht na daoine agus cóhá ban fear na hagraíachta speisialta seo a churthaíonn, a chothaíonn agus a chosnaíonn na Caesar fad, deis na fólama agus forbartha ar óg agus éasta, agus mar dear an mana úd páirteas cluteach pobl. Gra daoine ag buinte amach éachtaí nuagratha lá in dhé lé ar gheol sibh pobl Glór na Móna seo le an chéad fiche bliain eile gur míle maigah.
Okay, so tá muid go fisean gur a haisbint de Róisín na Gléim nach rábalta a bheith lena nacht. Is as cethir corcaí de Róisín agus in nuirí fiche trí hasí sí taide PhD ar gríomhachas na nóg in afíohan na Gaeilge in mé firste ó 9 ar ré. Is taide partneachta atá a gceist ar a rinn na Gaeilge an Oscail na Banríona agus Glór na Móna. So we're going to show a clip of Róisín na Gléim who couldn't be here tonight. Róisín is from Cork City, and in October 2023 she began a PhD research on youth activism and the revival of the Irish language in Belfast since 1998. This is a partnership research project between the Department of Irish at Queen's University and Glór na Móna. So
Fanachtaí có bhóide ó bhláithlia tá sé an sampa leirnaíon gur fad agus mé fanachtar féin de file ar chuircaigh ach idir an dálín agus mé an láirlín ag an self den mé blóire ón físa scríb mé de Glór na Móna léban. Na ceir cuairtne bhí ina cheann chaú réabhlóide chiad a néidir fetó agus fiú na poblachta á éilim ag aislúirí na éire. Glór na Móna itá ina cheann chaú ar an réabhlóid chláimseire agus mór churn an dícholínithe mar réad an letriige. Cuis le radachach an aigersúd a bheall ó chuircaigh go bhfuil firste in uirigh me tuairt bhí haidle do fuirta ar algháin na Gaeilge in an firste ó bhí néidir nó hochtán. agus is tugur speisialta poibreach idir glór na móna agus ulsfa na banríanna an taide chéine. Fógann sé seo bhfuil de áir a bheith heilórnaí gur fad a measc faithí bhéal bhéal firste agus bhfuil iscut fágan teag bhfuil ime inéimar déir fá ar na léithe de orgus starúla stop is star bhéal firste agus star na hhéir trí chéile. Agus na mana bhéocht an de sin agus as an gomrádaíocht agus as an ggódóidir ar fad in glór na móna. An gaile na de bú.
The crowd, not crowd. So current Fatcha Rev Siobhan McCallum. Siobhan is a class friend of Glór na Móna's, who is an inspiring community activist with PPR's new script for mental health grassroots campaign, and who launched her poetry collection Awakening Me last year. So Fatcha wrote Siobhan.
So Cormac, I stopped and got my £2 glasses and B&M before I arrived, because I'm getting to that age. Envisioning a better future of a new Ireland. At the height of lockdown, I was a fortunate participant in Scrivenery and Sleva, the writing group organised by Glór na Móna. Zoom was revolutionary for people like me, struggling with isolation due to a sepsis ordeal that led to medical retirement from teaching. Fergal managed to pull a group of people from all professional backgrounds and none to take part in a space that very soon became chicken soup for each of our souls. We became a tribe of scribes with unity of purpose, finding a community that very quickly became a branch of the greater Glór na Móna family. Facilitated by Scott McKendry, we soon found transcendence and transformational healing in this safe space. It became a golden elixir in our weekly routine. From our pens, we poured our hearts out, and from words flowed our pain, trauma, love and laughter. The theme of Kintsugi wove through each of our voices, binding us in our brokenness as one beautiful tribe, bonded by the golden glue of this experience that has created friendships that will last a lifetime. There have been many memorable nights in Gargin and Phobal and Gael Inid, igniting the fire in our bellies, inspired by the Glór na Móna ethos, Na Habare Jane. In the shadow of Black Mountain that bore witness to much of our lives throughout the conflict, the phoenix in each of our bellies rose from the ashes of our burnt out hearts and minds. We have had our lives enriched with award-winning authors such as Michael Patrick MacDonald, Louise Kennedy and West Belfast's own Michael McGee, amongst many other readers, gifted singers and talented musicians. Magic and mysticism are always in the air in these occasions when we are connected to this land, rooted in our history and the desire to dream of a brighter, better future of a new Ireland. Within our words are our hopes, our dreams and aspirations, but also a poetry of resistance and solidarity that demands awareness of those facing war, persecution, occupation and oppression. It is our hope that our activism through New Script or the political winter schools, that we may shape and inspire our young to become active in demanding social, economic and climate justice as global citizens, underpinned by human rights and equality. Gora Mayogov, to all, you all just are amazing, and I thank you so much for everything that you've done for me. And just that video tonight, when we watched it in City Hall a few weeks ago, I don't think there was a dry eye in the house, but people often say, who would you love to sit down with who's passed away that you never had the opportunity to meet? And for me, people like Matt Lundy and the late Terry Enright are the people I would love to have sat down with, and Des Wilson. So wishing you all the very best for everything moving forward, and thank you for every single thing that you've done for me. Really appreciate it. Cormac.
So the Fishan bug again, own Dr. Schiffer Aiken, is as Walia and Erdea Bunday Louis the Hefra, August Hossi she mar lector in Rin Gilliga, August and Len Calchi in Auburn Fiha Hien. Te Ilma Dushina Bunche Iglorsaki, spiritual wounds, trauma, testimony, and the Irish of the war, or Filshui if Fiha Da. Is Bob Wars Glornamona, Ishifra Kumai. So Shaw Nishanish.
Hello, Harta, Shifra Aiken Shaw. Bawalum cógordas ó chrí a gá liv ar fad a nocht agus sibh déna calóra ar glórnamóna fithe bliain ar an bhód. Tá brónar nachfuil mit an seo a nocht tamatís a gondéilú agus an telcán ar siúil a mark a guim gachra ar í nocht. Is mór an úidir brod dumps é go mé ar an mór le glórnamóna agus go mé mar chuid gan fphobal freisin. Tá go leir baint amach agin le coppla bliana nuas maidir leis na nascanna atá cruthaithe agin idir glórnamóna agus ollscoil na riana agus tá an bróda leis na nascanna sin bí na mic in an go leir deisna a hapú marall ar an takeíocht a churann an aireann in glórnamóna ar fáil dún bíon siad an go ar haíbre bíon cógálacha agus imachtaí an agra agin le chéile agus tá chuid gona mic gobar mar ibrithe óige comás sna cumann óige. Tá an áthas ar an freisin go roisín na glíime gobar ar haide dochtúachta fearthóchtach idir an dá áit agus be asú go mór le tarthaí an taide sin eáil amach an seo. Mar sin na carta bannaí sult as an ihe, tá mé an bhródú leis a méad tá bainte amach agin le coppla bliana nús agus tá sú go mór le feicáil céir amhánas mit amach sa fithe blian atá roin is ionta go rud é búlasteach ag glórnamóna chun blaise aáil gan léin atá sin agus sin có anama freisin a bhíon ar fáil san áit agus go dibhann i gafé anam. Bannaí sult as an ihe carda agus cógordas mór ó
Anish Curran Falcha Rev Brenda Ecleary is as art na bha in her felverste de Brenda agus is bal bonithe I de Glórnamóna. Is muinture a college first I Brenda for played it. You remember me from the blade? Agus tá sé ag teagas daoine fásta rangana ihe Glórnamóna le fiche blian agus is bal gríwach I the CLG Laker Lockley. So welcome Brenda from Art Nava in West Belfast is a founding member of Glórnamóna. She is a teacher at College de Firsta and has been teaching adults in Glórnamóna's night classes for 20 years. Brenda is also an active member of CLG Laker Lockley.
Okay, Cardia. So, nuair a dear Fergal ar an rud an scríú a hála fiche blian ó hen, is like Fergal ní ceapal an fiche bombachú hen a chara. So, rimé mi íhel, but nuair a bhí mé, so mai dú mata fibre bí leis an ord cranial lecht an seo. But nuair a hí mé síos leis an rud a scríú, smuoine mé ar an ahrú a tháinig meise, a tháinig ar an teangaí ó bhí meise óg, go dtí an látá nuan, agus ar an príomh sprec a bhí agin nuair a bunny ó Glórnamóna ón tús. So, agus mé hartar nímlíon déis drastal mé ar macéad ran Gaeilge. Harla go mé héan agus mo cardia bega a rihart fan cantar dú Deutsche, nuair a hacrúmid bulis deach a glubhach common le clas Gael clúan ard nach bhfuil an nísmó. Ag bun coran an clúni, eitro scaftia na sí hart a gghearcail ag éisteach na far a Kench an múnseoir Fairy Joe Maguire. Legus Jack mud in éadúin far a dar se cra agus thola mé na cíad achal Gaeilge an riu. Hui muid ar eisiau fiar coppla seachtain, hí muid a más daoine ar a róg agus éasta, go dtí go roiir saithogin agus wog muid ar heag an cíad rudig an eile. Sin an éir dhearnach go thola mé an Gaeilge taobh míad an siomaranga, go dtí hart fa fiche blian in the sin. Cailliú am a winseoir bonscoil mé agus méisna lua ihetí, agus is bag Gaeilge go thola mé taobh míad an scoil le fearne, fiú ag an am sin, agus mé am a winseoir bonscoile, near thola mé an Gaeilge taobh míad an scoil le bheith Bhí eithneog go mar scafte iargaltaí man scoile a daihan seo, Fergal, Kieran Moore, Ronan Rua, Padraig, Kieran ó Bralahan Fosta, agus daihan siad go raibh gearga an leis an teanga a úsáid go sosialta taobh míad a gceachtaí na scoile. Cuirí ceist arm na rangan na Gaeilge ghlacha gus chur mé héan, math, agus Padraig tús le rangana ag globhach Lord na Mona. Lís foiidir an níl sogan fan ordan seo, but Bonio Common poisttí na Carriga ar bhóthar na Carriga Bláine, Lamora, Catherine agus Brona, agus Kevin Lum na Lochaga go mai. Agus Brona a hosí an obair Shirley sa cantar. Lán mé arm leis na rangana ó hen nuair a bhainnig muid glór na Mona. Hosí mar céala ag freastal ar rangana le mat agus mé a gompar clunne, agus dírí leis lífacht a bhaint semach agus tóga muid ar bera. Trí bhan na Gaeilge. Ó bhí gabhílas a seachte gan, tá Virginia Bird agus ar buisttí ran farteach a goman le clas Gael lechar lách lei, a tá caithú saoil trí Gaeilge Freeton Sport a más go phobal Gaeilge go mai. Tionscanal iontach a das ó na sílte chéarna. Sa lá tainiuon, caihamid nó a faoin céad dar saoil socialta ag Lord trí bhan na Gaeilge, taobh an muid a gaftí na scala. Harla grú córa agam ar na malah ar bhóthar na bháil, taobh an muid a gaftí na scala rééis, le Calín gar bainne mréad na géir, sinna gearning Fairy Joe me céad bhaintúir Gaeilge, sinna rochamór an taí, agus mar germsa sílam gur sin a le marial ar glór na Mona nach méo na deis sin agin nach méo an Gaeilge le clistéal ins na siapaí ar a bhóthar ins na taí tabarne fod fad na heite, so sin gur éiríonn ar speirt amach agus a réine.
So tá fi sean gala agin ón Olú Emeritus Phil Scruton atá gobar an Oscail na Banríona. Is gríomhaí ecadúil in ráteach agus is amí leith agus cearlan a ghlachfil mar chud sa chlár an fartíoachta daon lech glór na Mona le fiche bliana nus. So we'll have a wee video from Phil Scruton, who is an emeritus professor at Queen's University, a renowned academic activist, and has delivered numerous lectures and workshops as part of Glór na Mona's democratic engagement programme over the past 20 years.
Thank you so much for the invitation to contribute to the celebrations marking Glór na Mona's 20th anniversary. 20 years, where did those times go? Oh, and apologies for my absence this evening. Of Irish descent, I was born quite close to the Welsh border, and throughout my childhood, direct action campaigns led to bilingual road and public information signage, Welsh language public broadcasting, legislative reform, and education provision in Welsh. Consistent with campaigns in Wales and the Basque region, Glór na Mona's commitment to Irish language recognition has raised awareness within a new generation of activists which focuses on the historic and contemporary importance of Indigenous language and communities' human rights. As Frantz Fanon stated, to speak a language is to take on a world, to take on a culture. Through direct action, Glór na Mona's commitment to social justice has successfully extended to include marriage equality, environmental issues, and LGBTQ+ rights. So, my friends, have a great evening, and here's to the next 20 successful years.
Okay, so just han Creekacur and Kerm Falcha Rev Owen O'Connelly is Ibri Oiga Pardampshire Owen le Glór na Mona agus Printishaach le Form na Nog. Is ball fosta Dongresan Dlú Fortiachta Mehali Hain a tag trail or Amazon sa Brazil a mi Fiora Fiha Kuig le Taki le Strackelt and Bubble Duhasach and Chin. So I'd just like to finish by welcoming Owen O'Connell up. Owen is a part-time youth worker with Glór na Mona and an apprentice with Form na Nog. He is also a member of the Solidarity Network Mihili Kain, which plans to travel to Brazilian Amazon in February 2025 to support the struggles for Indigenous communities there. So much.
Well, JD Ricardo. So there are curry cares there and a couple of fuckless group for Glór na Mona, very long beach shore and a couple of tree cares to them. So we're doing Barrett and the man waiting and Jess. I agree, she make a mail better for like cure origin, harm. Kermit she say just I'm not as tag deep at the Arawi and Glorian Mona Darlum, na an Oberoiga, August and Ask Shin, Lesh, and Pletchiak, August and Edges. So some kind of a piece in So, screed me, piece of August and Tidjo. A glassy and senior follicle in Arcadia. So, the Glorian Mona fee heavily in the Ish, or Co-Ish Lum, Tisha Diliogam few Mahahan at Dagalish, Agriac special to show a curve on fucker. Gan Glorian Mona ni vein here and then you can as a time makes a lot of time, you know, or just die a Mahan and the Bush McCor Margina. They say more care express to Glorian Mona and he and the Shens a base, and I try Hussy show like a mark, August and I took like Mr. Leg the kill and show on you. The Jack Kevin Ogum the Ehan there lace a base, and Cokerag the Q, August had for Cougar fights to Alice a Kitchen bug, not refute or enact the birch no sure. The he and there glock with shallow or epic bug in the break could night run that man and Jack Kevin the Crocker, better. No better an actor's fee, hard trade to the Caribbean, Arrow, the Rhythm of Time, or Robert O'Shaughnessy, or in Sky and Shinya, or the fact on air. Back in Sheeran, the Kevin Kinshaw, or respecting the Bun Lugan, a tennis part shock, and all called Jebro to come along your Cluny, Jay Flynn and Shees and Lina, August he had Shin Na and Shanga, and Ran Fortress, August from Pubble. Kahina he in the Shin Base, and Grad and Lugan shot on him, August the Vree Shaw to my Ambuik as in Jay Shin and Horture, and Keg Luan Alla, the Gale, Oga, Radicaka. Yanni over and Gapple Satohi. The year had loved August may rang a cat hair again with FIFA, no Alice a base. Gamay here Mavalak on the Hamazonia trees, Gordon Mona JB and a shees and Nina. They ain't the snack bugger. I can say Shaw and Esham Lar is far, then Uber, August and Orbert at the Janta, Egar Bubble, Har and Trebshishin. The rear Uber and Blue and Rome, then a Jason and Scoy or Fire Logging, August say Shen and Munich Black and the More Codge and Bristolatan, you know. It's popular language, Gordon Mona, August near Hollowmaker and when Hood McCarman and Hugh. They ask him when you and Realtus, they make Trina killer. Especially on Mara, Gani and Doug, Nagabe Shaw, August the Togri, Sawalard Service, and Rodas Towg, they are harder more heel Gajisha. Being a bun looking at Ogum, I'll call he and Teskinch, Kai Shaw and Teskinch on him, if we can fog or Rod special to Eve Margio. Call he and Glushak Shaw, broad in her mask, Nice Ladra and Abiogin a real. Duskull Soul, more glue in the Gabriel to Shak Jake, a Dagalish and Ederally, a V, August the Tag of Oil, O Sarkor. August last year and 10 year follow show in Arcadia. So, Church fee heavily in the Glorian Mona, August fee heavily in the Mall here, the Mall College fee in Orbert, and 4 wars sure Haig and Agriac. August time I am Buick as the Jeshina, August an edge of his snag bug, I will cut her fire like Danny Custle and Gag Cotter, Liam Old, not one show like Amma, Preston, not one show, Jared, Aidan, Turlock, Kiva, Carly, Podgy, August Owen Gardula. Danny and Sky, I will ask McCarja and Eshe was any Shinya. I could be my SMR and tag the Gravy Fubble, or I get his Changa, August Make was an ace. Mariana really sure, like, Tamanishi Johnny Stager, cocaine and year ago, August and Flitchak, August touched the ring of him, Gibay, Rod of Fulmium, a car ice is shocking on the moon, August over at Hamog, and Malance in array, but when Esh, good Jerry Master.
Okay, Gurmila Mayogov Asave Lenanak is Marial or Sha August Pubble Glornamuna, well, Glornamuna Gafoiler and Odd, August Gafoiling Fast, August A. Forbridge. You know, Marge or third day where you stand, August Marial or Nadine or Fad Shumbershaw, a Tag Johnny and Uppershin, Golmridge and Shaw and you. Rodella, Ta Anam, a trail, Dia and Mark and Carrier, so by Stuart Regan and Alexandrian. So Bill Gage August Janet Gira Tapila.